People, so we are at this place near Erragadda, and you get these amazing products for like $100, yeah. And see, if you were to take a look, it's quite a collection. And just now the gentleman explained to me that a lot of these products are first the original copies, and because they buy it in bulk, they get it at a much subsidized cost, and that's how they are able to sell it to us for like $100. So I find this so amazing. It's a huge big store, and this is a store that is there all the time, like, so it's not just a Sunday dependent store. So as you can take a look, it's very noisy, but yes, you'll come. Hello sir. Hi. So can you tell us something? आप बता सकते हैं about the shop?
हाँ, ये 100 रुपए मिल जाने वाले चोर बाजार एरागड्डा का तुम बड़ा चोर बाजार है।
हाँ,
ये फ्रॉक से 100 रुपीस में मिल जाते हैं।
Correct.
टॉप से 100 रुपीस में मिल जाते हैं।
So sweet.
यहाँ पे टॉप से 100 रुपीस में मिल जाते हैं। नाइटी से
Correct.
यहाँ पे नेवी से 100
हाँ.
रुपीस में मिल जाते हैं। ये लेगिंग से 100 रुपीस में मिल जाते हैं।
Correct. My God.
बहुत अच्छे
Yes.
बार आना खाली
Yeah.
वेस्टर्न टी शर्ट आए।
Correct. आप कितने साल के हो बेटा? इतना प्यारा बच्चा है.
I will 12 years.
Yes, my son is also 12. Very nice. So this is आपके शॉप का नाम क्या है, ताकि लोग.
AS Star.
Okay, A Star.
AS Star Star D.
Okay, so this is at Erragadda, very close to the metro station, and you get practically everything for $100. So thank you for being in my video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.